Hello guys, happy summer. Welcome back to my channel. This is your host Stephanie. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe to make. Great for summer, very light. You can eat it for dinner, you can have it during lunch also if you pair it with a salad. It's going to be a baked tilapia with mango salsa. I first want to acknowledge all of my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. All right, so this is my tilapia fillet that I purchased just like this, and we're first gonna start by putting the oil on top of the tilapia and then rub it on both sides. This is what I do to rub. This is so that when you put the spices, it stays on the fish. All right, so here I have my spices. Here I have a complete seasoning spice: white pepper, salt, paprika, cumin, ginger, and oregano. That's all you need. Just gonna mix them all. And just apply them on the fish. Just make sure okay, evenly distributed. All right, so that's all you need. Now it's gonna go in our oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While our tilapia is cooking in the oven, it's time to prepare our mango salsa. So let's do it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.